Welcome back to Excel with Ernest. Please like, share, and follow Techie Train on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it. In the previous video, we answered the first three questions. In this video, we'll be answering the last three questions using these data sets. Alright, let's go into it. Let's convert the question says let's convert the department to uppercase. So we are going to convert all of this department to uppercase. Remember, uppercase is putting everything in capital letters. So proper case is first letter capital, the rest small letters. Then the uppercase is all should be in capital letters. Now let's expand here. Call it uppercase. So uppercase, we want to turn this department to logistics, so we use your equals to. Without the equals to, none of the functions will run. So the equals to is very, very important. Upper. The upper function converts a text string to all uppercase letters. So all of the text will be in capital letters. So we need C2. Uppercase will turn all of it to capital letters. The same thing here, we use equals to C3 upper C3. Rather than going through all that, you can just double tap on this fill button and the upper function turns everything to capital letters with ease. Rather than typing it down or writing it, you can use the upper function to get all of them in capital letters. Now the next question is remove extra spaces from notes. To remove extra spaces from notes, which is this, let me create space in between to show you like a visual, to get a visual understanding of this. So let's spread this out. The excess space, let's say it is not properly written and there is excess space. This is all just to get a visual understanding of the trim function. Now we have to remove all the extra space. As you can see, it's not arranged, it's scattered. So to do that, let's call here trim. So to remove all the to remove all these extra spaces, pardon me, to remove all the extra spaces, we use the trim function. The trim function removes all spaces from a text string except for single spaces between words. So except the words in between this, let's show you, follow up. So except the spaces in between the words, all the other spaces will be removed. So let's highlight this and call here E2. We use the trim function. The trim function removes all spaces, all extra space, except the space in between words. So all extra spaces will be removed. So when you click that, you have the urgent case rearranged, as you can see it here. Also here, if you use the same trim function, you will notice that the follow up, the spaces in between the up have also been removed. The spaces before removed and the spaces after has also been removed. Now you can duplicate this by just double tapping that, and we have all the spaces that were there removed, and they are all in perfect alignment. Now we've answered the second question. Now for the final question for this data set, count the total number of characters in file reference. So file reference, you have to count the total number of characters here. So let's reduce this and call here count. Now to count the total number of characters in file reference, you use the len function. The len function is for counting. Let's see. Len, it returns the number of characters in a text string. So this len function is like the count function, but for letters. It will count all the characters in these letters, in this word, and return it back to us. So we have D2. So len D2. What this len is saying is that count all the characters in this word and give it back to us. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So we have 12 over here. The len function counts all the letters, all the characters in a word and give it to us. It's the count function for letters. So we have covered a lot. We've answered all the questions. We've said that proper case is to put the first letter in capital letter and the rest in small letter. Uppercase, that is the upper function, and the proper case, the proper function. The upper case is for capital letters, to put all in capital letters. The right function is to count from the right and give us the number of characters. The mid function is to count from our specified location on the text and the amount and give it to us. That is, count from the middle and give it to us. The trim is to remove extra spaces. The len is to count. So with that, we've answered all 6 questions. We'll continue answering data sets based on this text function in the next video. I'll see you in the next video. NS out.